okondedwa mulungu akulankhula nafebe. Taonani zimene zikuchitika ku Lebanoni patata ulosi uja uneneri uja. Taonani zimene zikuchitika ku Lebanoni. Kuti tipempherere chinthu ichi. Ambuye amandionetsa nkhondo imene kuchitika ku Israeli ndi Gaza. Ndimaonetsedwa ikulowanso mudera la Lebanoni. Osati ngati kungosinthana ngati mmene akuchitira Lebanoni, akuchitira Hezbollah ndi Israeli. Kumalire a Lebanoni ngati kumene kungosinthana wina kuombera. Koma ndimaonetsedwa Aisraeli atalowa mu Lebanoni. Maka chifukwa cha zimene Hezbollah ikuchita, ndi ndimaonetsedwa atalowa mu Lebanon, ndipo ndimaona ma Lebanese, anthu aku Lebanon akuthawa ndikuyamba kupita kuthawira mbali zina chifukwa chakuti Israeli inalowa kukamenya nkhondo. So tufunika tipemphere kuti nkhondoyi.
Welcome to the program. We begin this news hour in Lebanon, where Israel has launched its largest wave of attacks in years. This was the moment when an Israeli airstrike hit southern Lebanon, sending people running for cover. It's just one of numerous explosions in the area in just the past few hours. Israel has been warning civilians in Lebanon to move away from what it claims are places being used to store weapons used by Hezbollah. The military has been sending text messages, placing recorded calls and issuing warnings over the radio. It says it will bomb houses where it suspects weapons are being stored.
This is an advance warning for your own safety and the safety of your family. We advise civilians from Lebanese villages located in and next to buildings and areas used by Hezbollah for military purpose, such as those used to store weapons, to immediately move out of harm's way for their own safety.
We're covering this story from all sides. Imran Khan is in southern Lebanon, where Israeli airstrikes have been taking place. Dorsa Jabari will bring us the mood from the capital, Beirut. And from Amman, Zain Bazravi will tell us what the Israeli army is saying. And of course, we'll have the latest on Israeli attacks in Gaza with Tariq Abu Azoum. But we begin with this from Zaina Khoda, who is near the city of Tyre, where large explosions have been taking place this morning.
There's a lot of panic. As you can see, people are leaving the area because there's been another Israeli airstrike. These airstrikes have been happening since the early hours of the morning, in fact, in recent days. And we are very, very close to the southern city of Tyre. That is a very densely populated city, some 25 kilometers from the border. The feeling here is that the Israeli military wants to drive people out of southern Lebanon, causing another crisis that could be used as leverage against Hezbollah. We're not able to reach the site of the strike. There's a lot of chaos here. They are worried that there's going to be another strike. There's panic and chaos. We are very close to one of the most densely populated cities in